How to clear system data on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are looking forward to clear your system data on iPhone, then there are a few ways on how you can do so. Firstly, simply go ahead and restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can help you in clearing data and reduce up to 1 to 2 GB. Next, go ahead and open settings on your device and scroll down and tap on apps, and then scroll down again and tap on Safari. Here, scroll down until you see the option for clear history and website data and tap on it in order to clear your history and mobile data. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, tap on the messages option and then go ahead and review photos, videos and GIFs that you have sent, and then go ahead and delete unnecessary ones. See if that helps in clearing your system data, and if not, then in iPhone storage tab itself, simply tap on the app that you think is occupying cache and then go ahead and delete the app and reinstall the app from App Store. Apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube stores a lot of cache, then you can simply offload them and reinstall them, as this will free the hidden cache. Next, tap on Settings and then tap on General and then on Software Update. iOS updates clean old system logs automatically, and this might help you in clearing your system data. If not, then in general again, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then tap on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset your network settings, and doing this will reset all your network settings and passwords will be erased. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here you will see various recommendations from Apple itself in order to clear your system data, such as deleting recently deleted files or reviewing large attachments, etc. Simply follow Apple's recommendation and your system data will be cleared. So this was about how you can clear system data on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.